Trucks drive to the grain unloading pit at a low speed. The carriage is lifted and the grain slides smoothly into the grain unloading pit. Wheat is lifted to an elevated position by the bucket elevator, then transferred to vibratory cleaning sieves for foreign matter separation. Wheat drops onto the sieve surface through the feed inlet. Oversized impurities are discharged from the end impurity outlet of the sieve surface. Qualified wheat flows smoothly through the sieve holes to the wheat outlet. Then it is conveyed to the stoner. Wheat falls uniformly onto the sieve surface of the stoner through the feed inlet. Separated stones move upward along the sieve surface to the stone outlet for discharge. Qualified wheat slides down the sieve surface to the wheat outlet. Then the wheat is conveyed to the wheat scourer. Permanent magnetic sleeve achieves contactless separation of magnetic impurities from wheat by magnetic force. Wheat enters the wheat scourer's cavity uniformly. Internal beaters spin at high speed, shaking off wheat surface, bran hairs, dust, and mud clods. Wheat falls onto the planar rotary screen. Screen body makes planar rotary motion. Raw materials meeting the sieve hole size pass through the screen and fall to the lower layer. Large impurities are retained by the screen surface and discharged. Impurity removed wheat falls onto the elevator. The wheat is lifted to a high position by the elevator and then falls into the wheat wash machine. Spiral agitator rotates to thoroughly clean the wheat. Cleaned wheat enters the dewatering chamber to drain the surface water from the wheat. Slightly wet wheat is conveyed to the upper discharge port by the agitator. Washed wheat is conveyed into the wheat tempering silo by a screw conveyor. The bran softens inside the silo. This significantly increases the flour